Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by signing into Google Photos with the account that stores the images. Once signed in, select the specific photos or create a new album to group them. This keeps the link focused. Then tap the share icon. That launches the sharing workflow. You do this now because links are generated from a selected collection. Individual photos behave differently than albums. Make sure you're using the account that should control access, since the link inherits that album's permissions. Next, select Create Link or Get Link in the share sheet to generate a unique Google Photos URL. Once it appears, copy that link right away and paste it somewhere safe. Google only presents it after creation. You can also modify sharing settings here, turn link sharing on or off, and choose whether others can add photos or only view. This step matters because the link's behavior, editable versus view-only, affects who can change or add content to the album. Finally, paste the copied link into an email, chat, or document to share the album. Recipients open it in their browser or app. If you need to revoke access, open the album's sharing settings and turn off link sharing. That instantly invalidates the URL. If someone reports the link doesn't work, make sure you copied the full URL, the album still exists, and link sharing wasn't disabled. If problems persist, sign out and back in, or recreate the link to reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.